Okay, so it's April 29th, about 6:30 in the morning. Got some unexpected rain last night, or early this morning rather. I noticed yesterday, wow, I noticed that there was a swarm outside of Hive 3 around 7:45 p.m. on my sunset hike, and I was very surprised. I quickly set up a single deep. Got one frame of partially drawn out comb and honey, and the rest are empty frames and a 2-frame feeder. I'm going to attempt to shake these bees into this hive. So I don't know how to film it or how this is going to go. Technically the sun is up, but it's behind the clouds. These are tucked under that lid. That's going to be the problem. I got to get that lid off. And then I can remove that box. That top box is only a feeder box. There'll be some insulation in there. If they start flying around like crazy, I'm going to get a little anxious, but maybe I can move slow. Once I get the queen in the new box, that'll help facilitate the move, theoretically. You're not too happy about that. see a drone on the outside. Wow. That just happened. Oh my goodness. Tons of bees in this hive still. Put this right up here. I do see some bees here that I think were from the swarm. I'm going to attempt to collect them and put them in the hive. Put them by the door. Looking for the queen. Well, if the queen made it, then this was a successful swarm capture. It'd be a really good time for me to get David Byrne's feeder board on this hive instead of the inner cover that I modified with the upper entrance. I'm also going to get some tape to cover up these holes in Ed's box. Okay, on that note, holy moly. Alright, stay tuned. Any advice or comments for a new beekeeper in Wisconsin? Please feel free. Thank you. I only have 3 David Byrne's feeding boards. Only one is on hive 1, I believe. So I'm going to use the other 2 for hive 4, the new one, and then I'm going to put one on hive 3 just to get her done. I'm going to feed hive 4 hopefully today if I can get my act together in time. I'm a little low on supplies now, boxes and whatnot. Take that one too. grab that stick for you. I just noticed that quite a few bees on the inside of the inner cover. And I'm thinking it through. I'm like, oh my gosh, the queen could be there. But then I'm like, no, that was on the inside. The swarm was on the outside of the hive. So I think I've got the whole entire swarm in the new hive. But it just kind of... looks like they're protecting something. No. I hear a little bit of rain starting up again. I think I'm going to call this, call it a day. And kind of try to figure things out later. I don't like having all those bees outside the hive, but I put that inner cover there so I could maybe force orientation flights from any foragers that may be in there. Oh, okay.